Today our topic is why small daily habits lead to big success. Success is something everyone wants, but not everyone achieves. The reason is simple. People often look for big, quick wins instead of focusing on small, consistent actions. The truth is, success is not about one big moment. It is about the small things you do every day. Think about a tree. A tree does not grow overnight. It starts as a tiny seed, and with time, water, and sunlight, it grows into something strong and mighty. Your life is like that tree. The small habits you practice every day are like the water and sunlight for the tree. They may seem small, but over time they build something incredible. Let me explain why small daily habits are so powerful. First, small habits are easy to do. When something is easy, you are more likely to do it. For example, if you want to read more books, start by reading just 1 page a day. 1 page is not hard, right? But if you do this every day, by the end of the year, you will have read 365 pages. That is a whole book. Small actions like this add up over time. Second, small habits help you build discipline. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you commit to doing something small every day, like waking up 10 minutes earlier, or drinking a glass of water in the morning, you are training your mind to follow through. This discipline will help you in all areas of your life. Third, small habits create momentum. Imagine pushing a heavy rock. At first it is hard to move, but once it starts rolling, it becomes easier. The same is true for habits. When you start with something small, you build momentum. Once you have momentum, it is easier to keep going and even take on bigger challenges. Now, let me share some examples of small daily habits that can lead to big success. One of the most powerful habits is waking up early. When you wake up early, you have more time to focus on your goals. You can use this time to exercise, meditate, or plan your day. Another important habit is setting goals. Write down what you want to achieve each day, week, and month. This helps you stay focused and motivated. Reading is another great habit. It does not matter if you read for 10 minutes or an hour. The important thing is to do it every day. Reading helps you learn new things, improve your skills, and expand your mind. Exercise is also crucial. You do not need to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Even a 10-minute walk every day can make a big difference in your health and energy levels. Eating healthy is another small habit that can have a huge impact. Instead of trying to change your entire diet at once, start by adding one healthy meal or snack to your day. Over time, these small changes will lead to better health and more energy. Journaling is another powerful habit. Take a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts, feelings, and goals. This helps you reflect on your progress and stay focused on what matters most. Gratitude is also important. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This simple habit can help you stay positive and appreciate the good things in your life. Now, let me talk about why consistency is so important. Consistency is the key to success. It is not about doing something once or twice. It is about doing it every day, even when you do not feel like it. Think about brushing your teeth. You do not brush your teeth once and expect them to stay clean forever. You do it every day, and that is why your teeth stay healthy. The same is true for your habits. If you want to see results, you need to be consistent. One of the biggest mistakes people make is giving up too soon. They start a new habit, but after a few days or weeks, they stop because they do not see immediate results. But success takes time. You cannot plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. Be patient and trust the process. Another important point is to focus on progress, not perfection. Many people give up because they think they need to be perfect. But perfection is not the goal. Progress is. If you miss a day or make a mistake, do not beat yourself up. Just get back on track and keep going. Remember, small steps forward are better than no steps at all. Let me also talk about the role of motivation. Motivation is great, but it is not enough. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you will feel motivated, and other days you will not. That is why habits are so important. Habits do not rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. When something becomes a habit, you do it automatically, without thinking. That is why it is so powerful. To build a habit, start small and be consistent. Do not try to change everything at once. Focus on one habit at a time. Once that habit becomes a part of your routine, move on to the next one. Over time, these small habits will add up and lead to big success. Another important thing to remember is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your habits and mindset. If you surround yourself with people who are lazy and negative, it will be harder to stay motivated and disciplined. But if you surround yourself with people who are driven and positive, it will be easier to stay on track. Finally, let me talk about the importance of self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your progress and adjust your habits if needed. Ask yourself what is working and what is not. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. Self-reflection helps you stay focused and motivated on your journey to success. In conclusion, small daily habits are the key to big success. They are easy to do, help you build discipline, and create momentum. Examples of powerful habits include waking up early, setting goals, reading, exercising, eating healthy, journaling, and practicing gratitude. Remember to be consistent, focus on progress, and surround yourself with positive influences. Success is not about one big moment. It is about the small things you do every day. So start today. Take small steps and trust the process. Over time, these small habits will lead to big success.